Hello guys. Uh, Today in this tutorial we're gonna do I think it's fifth tutorial of C Sharp, in which we are doing a really basic project for the beginner level, and we started from the scratch and we reached till here. And so in this video we will do the equal to signs. Okay, I think it's the second last one. The last one is 00 and this is the second last thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just double click on it, and as I told you in the last video, that just run it for a sec to remember that. Okay, so when I press the any numerical buttons 3, okay, is in the form of a string. Okay, which whatever you are using, text box, label, whatever you are using, but it is in the store in the form of a string form. Okay, and sorry for it. So what we're gonna do, then we'll convert this string into double int or whatever integer or whatever arithmetic is. Okay, so when I press any operator plus sign, so it's been clear. So this 3 value has been stored, as I told you here, in the here, where it is operator sign, yeah. Okay, when I press it, it is installed in the value 1. Okay, and then the label text box is clear, and then whatever button is I press, the character sign, that is static, is being stored in here. Okay, now we will what we're gonna do after that. Okay, I'm gonna show you here. Now the second value will also be stored in the value 2. Okay, now value 2, okay, is equal to convert, okay, dot to double, okay, and then say what, lbl sc dot text. Okay, now the second value is also stored here. Okay, now after that I will use a switch statement. Okay, I will use a switch statement. I think it's I have been clear in the first video that you should probably have a basic knowledge of C Sharp. Okay, so I don't want to elaborate what is switch statement and what is it and why we use it. So if you don't know about the switch statement, then you should go to the Google. I think Google is the best thing. Okay, the first link is your answer then. Okay, so we will use here, as I told you that this operator is consists of the static the all operators. Okay, so in the case 1, okay, we will use case 1, not case 1. I think we are working on the corrected thing. Okay, if it is equal to this thing, okay, so what we gonna do is we have a variable here, output here was just value 1 plus value 2. I think this is it for it. And okay, now the last thing is we should then convert the output in the string form, because we also wanna to give output to the user in the form of a string. So that for that we can do, we will show the output in the text box, right here. Okay, now for that, say label, not label, lbl, oh god, okay, sc dot text is equal to output. Okay, output. When I press that, it's giving me an error. Why it gave is because you can't. Let me show you why it gave error. Okay, it said that double calculator dot output error cannot be implicit convert type double to string. Okay, it's a string and it's a double, so you must convert it to the string. Okay, I think this is it, and after that break shit. Okay, now just copy and paste begin here from okay, just okay. Now this is for minus sign. Okay, and this is for the static sign. And this is for the division. Okay, so the last thing in this, we're gonna show not default thing here. Okay, it's not a console programming here, but instead of this, okay, we should use a try catch block. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use here try catch block. Okay, so and in the catch block I'm gonna just normal expression. Okay, I'm not taking arithmetic expression just for sake. Okay, and what we're gonna show is that the label okay, label should be not this thing here. Text is equal to what? Okay, syntax error. Okay, this is it for it. Okay, now let's try it's working or not. Okay, start from 12 plus 9 equal to 21. It's perfectly working. Now it's a 21. Now just want to minus sign 6 and equal to sign is 15. It's perfectly working here. Now multiply 8 and I think it's very good working here. Cancel it and wanna show you 8.7 plus 9.8 equal to that. It's perfectly working. Okay, okay, now for the zero thing. Okay, for double zero, what we're gonna do is if lbl dot not yep dot text is equal to 0. Yep. Okay, now right here just copy this thing. Why I'm wasting my time? Okay, okay, and if it's not equal to 0, okay, so what we gonna do then? Just copy this thing, not plus sign, it should be double 0. I hope you understand the logic. Or okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm just press double 0. So user should be to know about that it's become double 0. Now before any value, I mean say that how many zero is it is, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't have many make any sense. Okay, now when I press 7 and then 0, it's okay. I want to make 7,000, so it becomes 7,000. Okay, minus, if I press double zero, it's double zero. Okay, and then say 7, so it doesn't make any sense. At least it's work like that. Okay, so 100, okay, minus 500, it should be minus 400. Okay, I think this is it for this tutorial. Make sure you just make this kind of interface, and also you can record. Now in the next tutorial we will working on it another mathematics equations and like mathematics stuffs we will discuss, and we will elaborate our application more and more, so it becomes more complicated, and not only the standard calculator but also like why should we not include the converter, like temperature converter, like mass into kilometer and like that stuffs. So we will do in the next tutorial, and okay, so I think this is it. See you guys in the next tutorials. Until up, take care for yourself, and bye bye.